6.4, example 2, factoring by grouping. Now this is going to be a review for us, but it's going to also have some additional points to it. So if you remember when you group, you have to actually group them and put them in parentheses. That minus went to 4 and there's a plus in the middle. Well, it goes into x cubed and 3x squared. Well, there's x squared in both of them, so remember that I pulled out that x squared. I had 3, I took out 2, so I've got 1 left. That 3, I didn't pull a number out, so that 3 stays, so plus 3. I had 2, but I took it out, so that's just x plus 3. What goes into negative 4 and negative 12 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is just that x there. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 is positive 3. So we write x plus 3, and then x squared minus 4. Now, if you remember, we were finished when we learned this before, but this can actually be continued to be factored. We have this cannot be factored, so that's x plus 3, but this can. X squared minus 4, if you remember, is a perfect square where we have x minus 2 and x plus 2, where I took the square root of this and the square root of this, but I have 1 minus and 1 plus. So this is our answer. We also have this one. Same idea. Put the parentheses around it. That minus goes with the 9 and there's a plus right there. No numbers are alike, but we have x squared in both. We have 3 x's, we took out 2, so we've got 1 left. Minus the 2, and x squared came out. Since that's a negative, that's going to be a negative there. 9 goes in 18, 9 times, right? Or 9 goes into both. So 9 divided by 9 is 2x. Sorry, 1x. And then 18 divided by negative 9 is negative 2. So let's go ahead and write this, x minus 2, x squared minus 9. Because this still has a squared, let's see, can we factor that? And we can, because it's once again a perfect square. So x minus 2 comes straight down. And my x's, square root of 9 is 3, 1 plus and 1 minus. Here's another one. Put your parentheses in. Neither one has a 2, but they both have an x squared. We keep this 2. We have 3 x's, we took 2 out. We have 2 x's, we took 2 out, and there's no number, so just a plus 1. What goes into 8 and 4 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Keep our x. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Write this out. Now this one, because it is an x squared plus 4, cannot be continued to be factored. That can't be factored either, so we can just stop right there. Try this one on your own.